Here's how to fix a hump in your neck at home really fast. This is known as a buffalo hump, a dowager's hump. You've seen, or maybe are starting to experience yourself, someone that you know you could share this video with that is starting to have this forward head posture. Why is this so important? If you were to hold a bowling ball, say 8-pound bowling ball, out here, how easy would that be? Very difficult. In here, you could probably hold it. Your neck works the same way. This is the 8-pound bowling ball. And because of all the sitting and bad posture and computer work and TV watching that we do, our necks are out this direction. There's an extra 40+ pounds of pressure on our spine because of the bowling ball being way out here and gravity pushing down on it. Now, why that is important, because it will literally stretch and tether your spinal cord, sort of like if you took a banana, which would be the shape of the curve in your neck, or what's supposed to be there, and straightened the banana, what would you have? Mashed banana. That's what starts to happen to your spinal cord, puts tension on that, put tension on your brain. This can actually impact organs, as it actually did with my dad. But more importantly, aesthetically, it doesn't look good. Well, I'm gonna show you exactly how to start getting rid of it on your own at home. 4 exercises on a daily basis. So when the head comes forward this much, there's a fat deposit that also starts to form here. And aesthetically, it's not very nice either, especially when the fat deposit starts to form right here. The body's protecting itself by depositing that fat along the spine, but how can you begin to get rid of it? At home, 4 exercises I'm gonna show you right now. First exercise, Y, W's, T's, and L's. It's kind of like the YMCA dance, except it's for your shoulders and your hump in the back. First exercise, the Y, arms straight up in a Y shape and then slightly back. So it should look like this from the side, that our arms are out here, pull them back. And you'll only be able to go so far and hold. 15 to 30 seconds right there. You're gonna feel strain in between and a burn in between your shoulder blades. Second letter, W, bring them down, same motion, pull them back. This W shape is also working slightly different muscles, a little bit lower to combat that hump. And we go to a T, arms straight out, again, pulling the arms back slightly and holding that posture. You'll feel the burn, this one in directly behind and in the front of the shoulders. And then the L's, elbows in, arms back. So from the side again, looks like this. Pulling your arms back as wide as you can. You're gonna feel this in the shoulders, external rotation. Those 4 letters, make them the 4 favorites. It'll start to get rid of the hump. Number 2, prayer. The praying mantis. You can pray that thing away, but the praying mantis, arms together, and then you're gonna raise them up. Elbows are gonna stay touching. Do not let them separate. And then we're gonna go up as high as we can. Ooh, the higher you go, the shakier it'll get. And you hold. Again, 15 to 30 seconds. If you come back down a little bit, it gets a little easier, but I'm gonna challenge you to go as high as you can. Praying mantis position. You will feel this from your shoulders all the way into your back. Number 3, the gold medal pose. Dun, dun, dun. In upright position, arm behind your back like you're just proud and your head is up, your neck is slightly back. Let me show you from the side. So we're bringing our arms together from behind, nice upright posture, and then we're gonna arch the head back and hold. And you're gonna feel this right in between your shoulder blades, right where that hump is. Hold that 15 to 30 seconds. While you're in this position, remember to breathe. Deep breaths, 15 to 30 seconds. Last exercise I'm gonna show you here, and then on the wall behind me, you are gonna put your hand against the wall. I like to walk it up, give your shoulder a little workout. You're gonna get rather close to the wall, and then we're gonna tilt the head backwards to one side and hold for 15 seconds. And then we're gonna tilt the heads backwards to the other side and hold for 15 seconds. And then we're going to switch arms. Here's how it looks against the wall. Arm against the wall, head back and hold. Here's what it is standing, arm against the wall, head back and hold. 10 to 15 seconds there, and then switch arms. I promise you, if you have consistency, which is the key with these exercises, you will have noticeable differences in your posture in less than 2 weeks. So get to work each day, get it into your regimen, put a note into your phone. You can get rid of that hump, and you can protect your organs, your spine, and all the pressure it has on it by correcting your posture. If you like those exercises and want to know the 5 worst exercises to be doing, check out this next video.